guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are finally gonna be going through my Jeffree Star Supreme mystery box. I ordered mine in a small. Unfortunately, my husband told me that the dogs got a hold of the box while he was sleeping, so hopefully nothing inside is too damaged. And at the end of the video, depending on how many repeats we're gonna have, I'll probably do a giveaway, but you'll have to wait till the end of the video for those details. But anyway, before you swipe me away or click me out of this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, I have seriously tried so hard to stay off YouTube and social media and have not been looking at Jeffree's page, or trying not to, because I really wanted to be surprised at what Star Ranch look like, but I think somebody ended up spoiling it for me, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, I'm so excited. I have not watched any videos on any of the Supreme boxes, so I don't know what is in here. I didn't even look at what was in the deluxe boxes or the smaller ones, so I have no idea what's in here. The only thing that bothers me is that I got my box, I guess technically late, and the contest ended yesterday, so I don't know if I get a gold a ticket, does it still count? I ended up entering the giveaway through email address, but I don't know if I still qualify for anything. So anyway, let's just jump right in. The first item is a mirror. Okay, and this says pink slice, so let's open that. You guys, I always ruin these boxes. I can never, ever, ever, ever open these mirrors right. I'm just ruining the box. And okay, so it's a pink ice cream. You guys, I've given away my mirrors because I don't use them, so I guess I ruined the box, so I technically can't give that as a giveaway item. But I have given my other two ones away just because I'm not a hand mirror person. So I don't know, maybe I'll put it in the giveaway and just sorry for the box. Okay, the next item, and I'm so sorry if you can hear the dogs in the back, is, oh, okay, so I saw this many times, but I didn't know what it was for. But this is the little compact for the singles. Here I go, trying to ruin this too as well. You guys, I got rid of my single shades because one, I didn't have this, and I thought it was a little odd that he would put out, doggies, please be quiet. I thought it was a little odd that he would put out single shadow shades without making, oh my god, I cannot open this for the life of me, without making something to put them in. And the shades that I got in my last mystery box, I already had because they were from the Jawbreaker palette, so I just gave them away to some coworkers because I knew I wasn't going to use them and had nowhere to store them, so I ended up giving them away, and then look what I got now. So if I ever buy the single shadows, I will definitely use that. And then, okay, so that's number two. Number three, oh my god, this is so pretty. You guys, I'm so mad at myself because I wanted those cotton candy sweats and sweatshirt so badly, and I was just being super cheap, and I didn't end up purchasing them, and now they're sold out. He's not making them anymore, so I kind of asked myself out on that. But this is a really pretty purple cotton candy. Purple and rose gold are my favorite colors. So, oh, it's actually, what do you call this? I don't want to say a wife beater, but a tank top, I guess. But it's really pretty. I like it. I will definitely be wearing this. You guys, I'm ready to lock these little doggies outside. Okay, so that is the third item. The next item is, oh my god. Okay, I think we're definitely doing a giveaway at the end. So the next item is the Velour liquid lip scrub, and it is in candy necklace. Oh, candy, wait, oh, okay, never mind. The flavor, scent, whatever you want to call it, is in candy necklace. See, you guys, oh my god, this smells so good. I don't ever even use these for lip scrubs. I just kind of like to eat them. They taste so good. Okay, the next item is, oh, I got a beach ball. Oh, that's awesome. I thought this was part of the giveaway, but it's not. I forgot that he is selling these. So I got a beach ball. I'm so excited because actually I wanted to I told my husband, like, can we please? I literally made sure to film higher because I knew they were going to interrupt my video. Anyway, so we were going to go to the beach like literally in a couple days, so I'm very excited to use the beach ball. And the next item, so 6th item is this Velour liquid lipstick in the shade. Is this a special shade? There's just like a bowl. Shake well before use. Okay, I don't know if this is an exclusive, but it is a Velour liquid lip. Okay, I'm assuming this is an exclusive because it does not have a name. It just kind of has like a little bowl, and it is a very pretty like corally color, and I really like it. It's more like on the orange side, but I really like this. You guys, I can never keep count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6, so 7. The reason why I count is because one time I threw an item away and you guys were like, you're missing a lip scrub. Oh, the next thing is a Supreme gloss, and this is in Blow My Candles. All right, Jeffree. Let's see what, you guys, this packaging, I feel so bad. I always ruin everything. Oh, this is pretty. Oh. Okay. This is in a very pretty nude shade. I don't know if I like this applicator. I mean, ooh, I love that cupcake smell. I don't know if I like the applicator as much as the doe foot. Like, I like that there's a lot in there, but it's just like awkward for me to apply, so I don't really care for that. Okay, and then the next item that I got was Dominatrix. I believe I have this in a liquid lip, I think. I'm not sure, but it is, you guys can you even see things? Like, am I filming in the right angle? So here is another lip liner. You guys know how I feel about lip liners. I just really don't care to line my lips. And then, okay, so the next thing is the gloss, and this is in the shade Heaven's Gate. I love his glosses. It's so funny. I had one of these in my pocket, and my husband was like, what are you gonna do with that? Like, what is that? And I'm like, it's a lip gloss. And he's like, why is it so like extravagant? Oh my God, this is so pretty. That is so, it looks like diamonds. I love the glosses. They are so smooth, creamy, like nourishing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 10. Yay! Okay, mint condition. I finally have one of these to put in our little case there. So let me open this up. And it is this pretty color. I want to say this is from the Money palette, but I'm not sure. Okay. Next item up, we got another one, and it is Blue Blood. You guys, I've been debating on purchasing the Blue Blood palette because I have not had it, tried it, anything, and I feel like it's one of people's favorites. That is a really pretty shade. So now I can start my little compact. I don't even know what it's called. Okay, next item. I feel like there has been so many items in this box. Oh, and another one, Deceased. Right. And there is that shade. It is so pretty. So I guess I technically have like a little mini blood sugar palette in here. Oh my God. Okay. Extreme Frost. Oh, this is so pretty. You guys, I love these. They are so gorgeous. I always love getting this because I feel like it's like you're getting a Rolex, and that is from the Money collection. And this was, what name was it? Stripper Magic. I just love how iridescent and pretty they are. I kind of almost want to buy the, what is it called? I don't remember. The new one that he's coming out. I was gonna call it Staircase. I think Stained Glass. Okay, and a palette that I know I have. So we will be doing a giveaway. This is the Blood Money palette. I already have it, and I had so much fun with all the repeats that I got in my last box. So in this box, I don't think I have a repeat of anything. So if you want to enter the giveaway, I guess I'll say the instructions in a second, but I'm definitely gonna give that away because I had so much fun giving away all my duplicates to my friends and my family, and they just love the product and it just made their day. So we will have a giveaway. And then finally, the last thing is the Star Ranch palette, of course. You guys, I think I'm most excited about this shirt and the beach ball. Like, I am super excited. So here's the new famous Star Ranch. Oh my God, this feels so nice. The embossed, I think is how you say it. This is a packaging that I don't think I've ever like felt before. And here's his house. It is really pretty. I'm sure you guys have seen this already. And okay, I feel like I've seen photos of it, but didn't know if this was really it. So, yes, it's so pretty. This is not what I thought it was. I've seen people post photos and post pictures of it, but I wasn't sure if if it was a legit thing or if somebody had just made what they thought it was gonna look like, and it is so beautiful. Is it what you guys thought? Like, what colors did you think were gonna be in here? I feel like this does give you a ranch vibe, except for the blues, but it is really pretty. I can't wait to use that, do a tutorial with it. Okay guys, so I've never done, I guess, a giveaway before on my channel. So I'm going to say that in order for you to enter the giveaway, let's go ahead and like the video, comment your Instagram handle, and then share the video on either Facebook, Instagram, but screenshot it and send it to my Instagram account. I will put it down below. So it's xtinalucille on Instagram. And it also says Cupcake because that is my other nickname. Besides X, people call me Cupcake back in the day because I love cupcakes. So yeah, let's do it for a week. So I guess maybe next Sunday. So today's the 24th. I don't have a calendar with me, but let's do for a week. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, I'll say it again, like this video, share it on Facebook, Instagram, screenshot that you, shared it and send it to me on Instagram, and then comment your Instagram handle down below. That way I can enter you in the giveaway, and then I will pick somebody at random. I don't have a lot of viewers or subscribers, so you have a high likelihood of winning. I did a giveaway one time when my Instagram had 500 subscribers and nobody entered. So the likelihood that you'll probably get this is very high. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Bye.